Hello, this video is about specificity. So before I talk about Natalie Goldberg's awesome essay, Be Specific, I want to go over what specificity is. That's in your textbook. The definition is there on page 41. So specificity is the quality of belonging or relating uniquely to a particular subject. So a specific detail would be one that's just particular to maybe you. You always wear red sweaters, right? Your name is Malia, right? So versus general, which is the overall point. So Natalie Goldberg writes an essay about the importance of being specific. As usual, I'm going to look with you at the first couple of paragraphs, and then you'll be on your own to annotate the rest of it. The annotation that we'll perform on this essay is a main idea and supporting detail annotation because that's the skill we're practicing. But when you do your annotation upload, you may do any form of annotation that you wish. Be Specific by Natalie Goldberg. Be specific. Don't say fruit. Tell what kind of fruit. It is a pomegranate. Give things the dignity of their names. Just as with human beings, it is rude to say, "Hey girl, get in line." That girl has a name. As a matter of fact, if she's at least 20 years old, she's a woman, not a girl at all. Things, too, have names. It is much better to say the geranium in the window than the flower in the window. Geranium, that one word gives us a much more specific picture. It immediately gives us the scene by the window, red petals, green circular leaves, all straining towards sunlight. So if we are annotating it, and again, I'll click on review. I might do some highlighting as well. So what I'll do is to highlight the main idea in yellow, okay? Be specific is the main idea of that paragraph. So what are our details? Well, she's got a lot. Here's an example of being specific. We're going to undo that. Okay, so we're going to say, it is rude to say, "Hey girl, get in line." That's a specific supporting detail that she has. And then we've got geranium, right? That illustrates her point. And then the red petals, green circular leaves, all straining towards sunlight. There's more, but those are some specific details that go with her overall point. Be specific. Okay, next paragraph. About 10 years ago, I decided I had to learn the names of plants and flowers in my environment. I bought a book on them and walked down the tree-lined streets of Boulder, examining leaf, bark, and seed, trying to match them up with their descriptions and names in the book. Maple, elm, oak, locust. I usually tried to cheat by asking people working in their yards the names of the flowers and trees growing there. I was amazed how few people had any idea of the names of the living beings inhabiting their little plot of land. So the word inhabiting means living in their plot of land. So her main idea, right, is that she decided to learn the names of plants and flowers in her environment. So she's got her main ideas in the first sentence of each paragraph. Those are her topic sentences. And some of the details that she talks about include, right, maple, elm, oak, locust. She bought a book, right? She asked people, okay? All those things support the idea that she decided to learn the names of plants in her environment. So please annotate this, read this, annotate it, participate in the discussion, and let me know if you have any questions.